Now we come to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan. Colin, you're going to improvise a scene, and you'll have to respond to sound effects made by Ryan. Here's your microphone, Ryan.
Thank you.
And your scene is you're an ambulance driver on your first emergency call. An ambulance driver on his first emergency call. Take it away. Ding, 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 ding.
啥？哎，在这儿。
All that energy, all that thought, that was brilliant. Unfortunately, that was a non-scoring round.